You're scrolling through TikTok, and suddenly, an ad pops up. PocketGuard, track your spending, save effortlessly, and reach your financial goals. Sounds amazing, right? But before you download it, you're probably wondering, is PocketGuard safe? Can I trust this app with my sensitive financial data? Let's face it, we all need a little help managing our money these days. Inflation is high, and it feels like our paychecks are shrinking faster than ever. That's where budgeting apps like PocketGuard come in. They promise to simplify our finances, automate savings, and even help us find hidden costs. But with data breaches and privacy concerns on the rise, it's crucial to understand the security measures in place before entrusting any app with our financial information. Addressing safety concerns. Now, let's dive into the big question: is PocketGuard safe? Data encryption. PocketGuard uses industry-standard encryption to protect your data both in transit and at rest. This means your sensitive financial information is scrambled and unreadable to anyone who might try to intercept it. Data security practices. The app adheres to strict data security practices, including regular audits and vulnerability assessments. This helps identify and address potential security weaknesses before they can be exploited. Privacy policy. PocketGuard has a transparent privacy policy that outlines how they collect, use, and share your data. It's crucial to read this policy carefully before signing up. Pay close attention to how they share data with third parties, if at all. User reviews. While not foolproof, user reviews can offer valuable insights into the app's security and reliability. Look for common complaints or praise regarding data security and privacy. Addressing potential risks. While PocketGuard has robust security measures in place, it's essential to acknowledge potential risks. Third-party integrations. If you connect PocketGuard with other financial accounts or services, you're essentially granting the app access to that information. Always carefully review the privacy policies of any third-party services you integrate with. Phishing scams. Be wary of phishing attempts that may try to trick you into revealing your login credentials or other sensitive information. Never click on suspicious links or download attachments from unknown senders. Data breaches. Although rare, data breaches can occur even with the most secure apps. It's crucial to monitor your accounts for any unusual activity and report any suspicious transactions immediately. Tips for safe usage. Here are some tips to enhance your security when using PocketGuard. Strong passwords. Create a unique and strong password for your PocketGuard account. Consider using a password manager to generate and store strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA if available. Enable 2FA for an extra layer of security. This adds an additional step to the login process, such as a code sent to your phone. Review account activity regularly. Check your account activity regularly for any unauthorized transactions or suspicious activity. Keep the app updated. Ensure your PocketGuard app is always updated to the latest version. Updates often include important security patches and bug fixes. With said, PocketGuard can be a valuable tool for managing your finances, but it's crucial to prioritize your security. By understanding the app's security measures, being aware of potential risks, and following best practices for safe usage, you can confidently use PocketGuard to achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and until next time.